I know, down to the south, not just yesterday, but we had days and days of rainfall. Here is a look at just yesterday's rain totals. And look at the southern part of the state. 1, 2, 2.5 inches, and extending above that, Carlsbad. We've been talking about it really the last couple of days, getting more than 2.5 inches. Las Vegas, though, look at that, just over 3/4 of an inch of rain, so some heavy rainfall up there as well. But as we talk about Carlsbad yesterday, that 2.7 mark, that actually broke a record in Carlsbad. We also saw records fall back on the 19th and the 20th. So the last couple of days, we had significant rainfall. We had one dry day, the 21st. Sunday was a little bit on the drier side in Carlsbad, but totaling at the recording site over 6 inches of rainfall for the last 4 days. We move up beyond that outside of Eddy County where we don't have those recording sites, anywhere from 5 to 10 inches of rainfall. And a lot of that just rushing into the arroyos and the rivers, and that's why we have the flood warning in place. The Pecos River definitely dealing with some issues there, and flood warning continues all the way through Thursday evening. But as we take you outside, some good news. Satellite and radar, we do have the cloudy skies. No rainfall down in Eddy County. A few light showers down towards Hatch and TRC, and also some that were up near Chanta that are starting to die down. We will see the chance for rain and storms today, but it's going to be limited and it's going to be on the light side. Now, I also want to show you down towards the south and east where we have ample moisture to deal with. We are dealing with a little bit of fog. We can see visibility dropped by a couple of miles, 2-mile visibility in Ruidoso, also Los Alamos, about 1/4 mile visibility there. So keep that in mind. You may need a few extra minutes to get through some of that fog. In the 50s and 60s for most of us, but very cool temperatures up in parts of southern Colorado with the 30s and the 40s, and that is 10 to almost 20 degrees cooler than what we had at this exact same time yesterday. Alamos has seen the biggest drop in temperatures this morning, but even TRC, Albuquerque, we're 7 to even 6 degrees cooler outside this morning. But the outlook for today, much of the state pretty nice. Again, southern tier though, we are still going to track the chance for some light showers possible. You can see just a few spots of green as we take you through the afternoon with super storm track, but by tonight we are going to see a break in the clouds and a break finally from all of that rain. So and that's going to be the trend over the next couple of days. So here in the metro area, partly cloudy, warm, 70s and 80s, and we'll have the 70s and 80s statewide today, even up in parts of southern Colorado. 83 in TRC and in Deming, 80 in Las Cruces, and tomorrow high pressure moves in and really starts to take over, which means our rain chance is going to drop even more. We'll have lots of sunshine and our temperatures will warm up, and we'll keep it nice and comfortable and pleasant for our Thursday as well. So here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Southern Colorado, partly cloudy and mild today with the 70s. We're going to get warmer and sunnier tomorrow. Into the north and west, we'll have temperatures nearly widespread in the 80s today. Lots of sunshine and more sunshine tomorrow with temperatures up by about 3 degrees. Into the south and west, we are going to have the clouds. We'll have the chance for some isolated showers throughout the afternoon, but drier skies tomorrow, and the temperatures bump up just a bit. Into the south and east, mostly cloudy skies with scattered showers really for the first part of the day. By tonight, we'll look for the clearing skies and the temperatures through the afternoon in the 70s and 80s. Now tomorrow and Thursday, I do still have the mention of some isolated storms. That's mainly going to be closer towards the mountains, so closer towards the Sacramento Mountains, which means we'll have the drier conditions for much of the area. Into the north and east, 70s and 80s today, partly cloudy skies, isolated storms possible as we get you closer towards Las Vegas, Mora, and Raton, and we'll be dry with the warm temperatures sticking around tomorrow as well. The northern mountains, partly cloudy skies with some mountain storms possible. 76 for a high in Taos, 77 in Santa Fe, and 78 degrees in Los Alamos. And the east mountains today will have the 70s with just 180. Edgewood climbing to 80 degrees, partly cloudy skies, and we can't rule out an isolated storm on the east side of the San Diaz. But the metro area is going to be dry with partly cloudy, mild skies, 80s all around the area. 80 degrees in the foothills, 83 in downtown, and 82 degrees in Rio Rancho today. And tomorrow we get warmer just by a few degrees, but mid 80s, lots of sunshine, more 80s through the end of the week, and more dry skies. And not necessarily for us here in Albuquerque, but down towards the south, we really need it. And by tonight, we're going to start to see the dry air move in and really help them out over the next couple of days.
It'd be really nice to dry out, and a couple of gorgeous days on the way too.
That's right.